I was scared of AI.
I thought AI was complicated.
I thought AI was only for experts. No degree, no coding, no experience. So I decided to test AI for 24 hours.
As a complete beginner.
No overthinking. Then I used AI for writing. Okay. And painfully like, my ideas came faster. I felt more confident. And in the afternoon, I asked AI questions. For the Greek words, things I never understood before. AI can be explained calmly as a technology that mimics human intelligence, processing data and learning patterns to assist and innovate. Without judgment. In the evening. Now, I reviewed my day. AI didn't replace me. It supported me. Things became clearer. I felt less confused. I worked on it. My confidence grew. Whoa. Not perfect, but helpful. AI is not magic. It's just a tool. And a powerful tool. It helps normal people. Be people like me. If you're a beginner, don't be afraid of AI. Start small. Start today. Interested in mastering Kaka AI? Subscribe for our exclusive guides. Thank you for watching my video.